Hi, teacher. My name is Juan Carlos Espinosa, the engineering system at the UNAD. Responding the first answer, how do you think the numerical methods could contribute to your professional future? First, this topic, this course is very important. I like this topic. This content, the numerical method can help me in machine learning. I like the machine learning. I know the data and the information can help in different areas or fields. For example, the transport and health and transportation special, cybersecurity in others is important. This course I contribute my professional in me future is important. I like this course. Seconds as well. How do you think a professional in your discipline can contribute to the community and social environment with the acquired skill through the degree education? I think that I can contribute in my society. Um, in, in I contribute in my knowledge in the organization and the business. For example, in the organization I work is use the data and information y el analytics. I think that the skill I development for the area. Thank you, teacher. Very thanks for the course for your um, knowledge for our students. Thank you.